Alright, finding stationary points. This is question number 281. So we've got this function here that we need to find and identify the stationary points of. So first thing, this is a cubic, so there's going to be two of them. So we need to start off by differentiating. 3 times 1/3 is 1, so we end up with x squared minus 2x minus 8. Okay, so the stationary points are when the function's not changing, which means the gradient is 0. So we have to make this equal to 0, and then we factorize it, and you can do this either by hand or by using the graphics calculator. If we're doing it by hand, we're looking at this function here. So we've got a negative 8 here, so that means we're going to end up with negative 4 and positive 2. So x equals negative 2 or 4. Okay, if we use the graphics calculator, you need to start by going to menu. Once you're in menu, you need to go into the equations menu, and then you select F2 for polynomial, and this is the highest power, so the highest power we have is 2, and then we just put it in. So we've got 1x squared minus 2x minus 8, and then we solve it and we get the same two solutions, x equals 4 and x equals negative 2. Okay, once we have those solutions, we need to go back to our original function and find the y coordinates for those 2 points. So f of negative 2 equals 1/3 of negative 2 cubed minus negative 2 squared minus 8 times negative 2 plus 7. And this gives us 16 1/3 or 16.33. Okay, do the same thing for the next one. Function value at 4 is 1/3 times 4 cubed minus 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 7. And that comes to negative 19 2/3 or 19.67. So now we've got our 2 points, negative 2, 16.33, and 4, negative 19.67 are the stationary Okay, now to decide what sort of stationary points they are, there's a few different ways of doing it, but we're just going to look at doing it on the graphics calculator. So go on your graphics calculator, go into menu, and now we're going to go into graph, and I'm going to delete any functions that we previously had. Okay, now we just put the function in, so we've got 1/3 x to the power of 3 minus x squared minus 8x plus 7. So then we just graph that. And you can see when you graph it, just from looking at it, that this one at -2 is a maximum, and this one at 4 is a minimum from looking here. So the first one is the maximum here, and the second one is the minimum there. So we just have to write that